What's going on, snipers? It's your boy Axiom Swifty. In this video, we're going to be going over my trade breakdowns on how I passed the FTMO demo in 5 days. All right. Now, first and foremost, shout out to Stacy Burke because he has brought me a long way with my trading. I'm extremely grateful. Stacy, you the GOAT. Now, let's get into it. Now, I'm on FTMO.com. I have cropped out the top of the page because it does show my name, and I would like to remain private on my channel. So for good measures, I'm going to go ahead and reload the page so that we know that my results are valid. There is one refresh, and we're going to go ahead and give it one more for safe measures. And there is number 2. All right, so we can see I started my demo on the 16th of November. I passed it in just 5 days. My max running drawdown on a trade was 1.4%, and my max loss on a trade was a little bit over 0.5%. Hit $1 over the profit target. Very clean equity curve. I'm very happy with it. And I took 16 trades. It was actually about 6 or 7 because I do split positions on my trades. However, this morning I actually traded London rather than New York, and I scalped my way over to the 5% mark. I have a win rate of 94%. The profit factor is over 8. I'm very happy about that. The RR I'm not very ecstatic about, but that's something that I'm going to be working on. And as we can see, I hit the profit target in just 5 trading days. So here are the actual trades. You can go ahead and pause this, screenshot this, however you want to do it, but it's going to match up with the trade breakdowns that I'm about to show you. So the first trade that I took was on November 16th. Now, I do have all of these documented. I didn't do too well documenting this one, so it's not in a folder, but here is a trade. We had Tuesday's higher day rejected on Wednesday with 3 peaks, broken down market. So I entered on this engulfing, and I scalped for about 1.3% on this trade. I had a 10 lot on it. This is GJ. My next trade was on AU, which was a buy for the 17th. All right, so here is my AU trade. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of fall. 1 push, 2 push, 3 pushes into the low heading into New York Open. So I like the way that it was setting up. I went ahead and took that entry. Once I saw that shorts were being jammed into the low heading into New York Open with a 10 pip stop loss, and then I went ahead and added a second position. Now, this trade, the Forex gods blessed us because I was literally 1 pip away from being stopped out before price reversed and went to my TP. But my thesis was heading into New York Open, we were already down low. We had shorts jammed. So anyone selling down here was trapped in this box of consolidation. We had a peak formation high, and my thesis was for them to at least go ahead and run the high, which they did. Very beautiful trade, and I was very happy with this trade. Moving on to the next day, on the 18th, I had an AU sell and a GJ sell, and that gave me pretty much 0.5%. Not really necessary to go over these ones, but for the sake of the video and showing these trades, I will go ahead and go over it. So here is that AU trade. This was a low-hanging fruit trend continuation trade. From Thursday's low, we were pushing up. We had 1 push, 2 push, 3 push, 4 pushes for a strong engulfment break of structure, breaking on down to the bottom of the 100 pip box. And once I saw that strong move, I went ahead and entered on the next 15-minute candle with a 1 bar stop loss. And price went ahead and ran, breaking down this wick, taking out the lows. This is low hanging fruit, easy trade. For the next day, the next trade was on the 22nd, and that was a GJ sell, and that one netted me a little bit over almost 1%. And then I did have a small little scalp. So go ahead and take a look at that one. All right. So here is that GJ. We had a beautiful A-top peak formation on Tuesday, locking in the bottom of the 100 pip box. We had a nice pump, very little to no pullback at all. Strong engulfment. Went ahead and took the entry with 2 positions. Price didn't run all the way to TP. We actually got this 1 push, 2 push, 3 push rejection. So I went ahead and I did close out once we tapped into this area. But this was a solid trade. The thing that I like so much about my trades and the way that Stacy Berg teaches is that more or less within 5 to 10 minutes, these trades run you into profits. Very quickly, you will know if the trade is a winner or a loser. So this was a beautiful one on GJ. That was a trade on the 22nd. On the 23rd, which was this morning, that was when we sealed the deal with these EU trades. So initially had a 1% gain, selling on EU, a little bit over 0.5% loss, going the wrong way. And then I went back with my initial thesis, going with the sells, which brought me to, I would say, 4%. And then I took a quick scalp of a buy. And then just 2 more trades just to bring me back to that 5% mark. So here is that EU trade. Like I said, I traded London this morning. So heading into London, I saw this beautiful pump with this double top for the breakdown. We had a strong engulfment, and that was enough for me to go ahead and enter into this trade. Now, I did initially have a 6% stop loss, 6 pip stop loss, which would have lost me 0.5%. But I did not initially put my stop loss in because I wasn't too certain. So I ended up moving my stop loss to 10%, which would have gave me a 1% stop. And price ended up running. I exited somewhere around here because I wasn't sure how we would react to this level. But price continued pushing on down, so I continued to scalp it on down. And then once we actually hit these lows, this is when I took that scalp buy that gave me that 0.5% and brought me over to 5% gain. So that is it for my FTMO demo breakdown. 5 trading days, 5% made. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the trade breakdowns. Please like, comment, subscribe if there's anything you want to see. If you have questions about anything that I went over, please do drop it in the comment section and we will dig into it. I am here for you all, here for myself as well. They say teach it once so you can learn it twice. So that is my agenda with this channel. I plan on pretty much relearning everything that I've been learning from Stacy Berg to reinforce my own learnings, as well as hopefully clarify some of the teachings and help you all out along your journey as well. I will be doing more demos. I will be doing challenges as well. And I will see all of you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Axiom Swifty out.